Power up. Welcome to Energypreneurs, where I bring to you the exciting new opportunities in solar power, battery, and electric cars. I'm your host, Sohel Hasni. I have been tracking and analyzing these technologies on LinkedIn and Twitter for more than 10 years. Now we meet on podcast. So uh, okay, Freddie, maybe you can start by introducing yourself, what you're trying to do, and I want to find a bit more because for Philippines, electric vehicle is super exciting, and you have been doing for quite some time. I read, so I'm very excited. Please tell me what you're doing.
Thank you, Sohail. I'm Freddie Tinga. I am the president of Global Electric Transport, or GET. It is right now a worldwide company with headquarters in Del Mar, California. We've got our engineering in Spain, and also obviously the operations here in the Philippines. Um, we've been at this for a while, and the goal has always been to create a fleet managed electric mass transport solution. And we feel that this 6.5 meter space where we're in is the ideal transport vehicle for developing markets, developing countries all over the world. So we're not after the UK or the US or continental Europe. We're very focused in the markets that we're trying to get into. And ideally, if you look at places like Indonesia, countries in Africa, LATAM, you will see a common transport product similar to the jeepney in the Philippines. So obviously that is a natural progression. They create that product because it's easy to deploy. It's fairly inexpensive, and you can deploy in numbers very quickly, as opposed to either big buses or subways or light rail networks. No, so the electric mass transport solution we came up with is ideal for this space because operating costs are fairly low.
Mhm.
We have an app, a mobile app, and a fleet management system tied to this. So
Mhm.
that allows us